Students, standard 5. Today we will read the chapter 4, the precious little children. Topic is precious little children. So, yesterday we read its reading practice. Please open your book, page number 42. Now, this is your book number, page number 42, and it is the 42. So, chapter 4, precious little children. We read this. It is a poem. It is a poem basing on the children, about their day-to-day life, their behavior, their character, their everything is about them. Also, it is written in this chapter 4. That is, the topic is precious little children. Means the very valuable person of the world is the children. So you will read it now. So this is the word meaning, difficult word meaning. So we will read it. Little children are a treasure. That means little children are treasure. Little children are treasure. Treasure means valuable thing, wealth. This is the children are the wealth of their parents, of their family. Their worth you can't measure. That means their worth, their value. Worth means the value. Worth means value. You can't measure. You can't measure in terms of money, gold or silver. In terms of, in exchange of, in terms of means in exchange of, in terms of alternate or badalare, or in exchange of gold, money, gold or silver. That means if you will exchange the very valuable things like money, gold and silver, the children will not be parallel, will not be same, or will not be the measured with money, gold or silver. Understood? So you should think that how you are treasure and you cannot be measured in the weigh machine or with the money, gold or silver. Understood, my students? So you should think that how precious you are, how wealthy you are, how worthful you are, how you are treasure of your parents and your family and your kith and kins or relatives or friends, or any where you will go, you will be the precious for your parents, for your society, for your country, for your for the world. If you will be a good person, so your value will be more, and you cannot be measured with money, silver or gold. Understood? So you come to the next. Their voices are just like a melody. That means children's voices are very sweet. When they talk, when they swing, when they acting, everything is very melodious to us, very very interesting, very sweet to us. So their voices are just like a melody. Just like a melody means music or sweet sound. The sweet sound that helps us forget our tragedy. That means when children are in our family, we will forget all the problems, all the tragedy, all the sadness, and they will give happiness when we will see their face, or when we will talk with them, or when we will listen their melodious sounds. So it will forget our tragedy, it will vanish our tragedy. Understood or not? So children are very precious to their parents, to their family, and to the society, to the village, to the everything. Everywhere you will go, you will be very precious to them. That helps us forget our tragedy, though they live under our custody. That means when the children always lives with the custody of their parents, of their seniors, so that although they help us to forget our tragedy, but they are in our custody, because custody means care or protection, निज अधीन रे दायित्व रे थांती हला, that means it is under their family, they are under their family. So their innocence is beyond measure, that means their innocence means, what do you mean? Innocence means not having knowledge, ajnanata. So their innocence is beyond our measure, that means we measure our innocence, that means their parent, their mother, their kith and kins will measure their innocence, their simplicity gives us utmost pleasure, but that means their simplicity means gentleness, saralata, their simpleness gives us utmost pleasure, means the most, utmost means extreme pleasure, it gives extreme pleasure to us. They live in their world without care, considering them to be the emperors, that means they are in their state, they are in their world, so that they consider themselves to be the emperors in their own state. That means within their care, or they live in their world, that means they have their own world, which they are the emperor, they are the king, they rule among themselves, they rule at their own, and they think at their own, and they decide what they to do, so that they are the ruler of their selves. Understood? So they are the ruler among themselves. No one is there to rule over them. We should bring them up with care. That means it is our duty. Parents have the duty, seniors have the duty, and family have the duty to take care of them and to bring up them with care. That means we have to take care of them from childhood to be a person, by providing them everything they desire. That means when they desire something, so we have to provide them. There is no such of difficulties to face them, because they have to be provided at their own. When what they wish to take, or wish to bring, or wish to buy, they have to be given, because we should bring them up care by providing them everything they desire. For it is our duty to make them prosper. That means it is our foremost duty, it is our utmost duty to make them prosper. Prosper means make them prosper. Make them prosper means grow. Prosper means grow. Prosper means grow. That means for their grow, for it is our duty to make them prosper, because they are our nation's future. So for their prosperness, to prosper them, it is our duty, and they are being prospered by us, because they are the nation's future. They are the future of the family, they are the future of the state, they are the future of the society, so that they have to be taken care by their parents, by their family, by the society, and for the pride of the nation and the future of the nation. So we came to know that how precious the little children are. It is written, it is given in our poem Precious Little Children in the chapter 4. You must have understood, I think, that if any doubt, you have to let me know in our school app. It is a online class, so that you have to give reply in online, as by our school app. If any problem or doubt, let me know soon. Otherwise, you will read it and you will practice the word meanings, and I will ask you in online. So if you have understood, then write its summary to me and send me in our school app. Have a nice day. Thank you, my students.